Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, hi, I'm Sarah, and today we are traveling back in time to recreate this iconic beauty of Turkan Şoray. This look is currently trending all over the social media by the name of Turkish delight. So we are creating that look today in this video. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching this video. Let's start with the eyebrows. Her eyebrows frame her beautiful eyes very well. It's thin but it's bold. So I'm using concealer to thin my eyebrows a little bit to match hers. It's not going to be same, but yeah. After that, I'll fill my eyebrows with a light gray shade nicely, and ours should be a little rounded like hers. And then I'll brush it out for that diffused and natural look. Now for the color correction, this step is completely optional. If you don't have any dark spot or pigmentation, you can completely skip this step. I have some pigmentation or discoloration, so I'm using this concealer palette which is from Inside Cosmetics, and I'm using this orange shade to color correct my face. Now for the foundation, her skin always look like spotless but full coverage with a natural glow. So I'm using a full coverage foundation with a natural glow or radiant glow in it, and applied in a dot all over my face, and then blend it with a damp beauty blender. You can use brush if you want. Now for the concealer, her eyes were bright yet natural, so I'm using a lightweight concealer which is from Swiss Beauty. You can use any concealer of your choice and lightly apply it around my under eye area, and on other areas, like I have a little pimple here, so I'm gonna apply it there, and then I'll wait for 2 to 3 minutes. After that, I'll blend the concealer. Now for the cream blush, I'm using two different shades of blushes, and then I'll mix it together and create this beautiful rosy shade. Basically, her look is all about natural and radiant blush, and she uses a very earthy pinkish tone, and I don't have that kind of a shade, so I'm going to mix these two and apply it on my apple of the cheek and blend it a little bit upward. Now for the powder, a touch of powder keeps everything in place while maintaining the soft glow. So apply a little powder under your eyes, on your forehead, around your nose and mouth. Avoid overpowdering because her look is all about luminous and natural. Now for the bronzer, her face has a very soft sculpted warmth, not too harsh. So I'm going to apply a powder bronzer around my forehead and little bit around my cheekbone. Little bit more blush, why not? Apply the matching powder blush over the cream blush to lock in the color. Now for the eye look, the showstopper. So I'm using this light brown shade and apply it all over my eyelid with this big fluffy eyeshadow brush. Then I'll use a little bit deep brown or dark brown and apply it on my crease area with this small eyeshadow brush to define that crease area. Then I'll use a light cream shade and apply it on my brow bone to pop up that area, and the same shade I'll apply on the inner corner of my eyes. Now for the eyeliner, so I'm using tape for the sharp wing. After that, I'll use a black eyeshadow to create a base basically for the eyeliner, and then I'll use this liquid eyeliner and apply it over that base. It makes your eyeliner a little bit long lasting and give you a base to create a perfect eyeliner. After that, I'll use a black eyeshadow and apply it on the lash line of my eyes. And I'll tightline my eyes and apply a white kajal on my lash line to pop up and make my eyes look bigger like hers. Curl your lashes, apply mascara, and wear falsies because she is wearing a falsies in this picture. Now for the lips, I'm using a dark brown lip liner. I'm going to line my lips like I normally do. There's nothing special about it. And I'll use this lipstick which is a little 2 shade or 3 shade lighter than the lip liner and apply it on the center of my lips. I hope you guys like it, and if you do, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Bye!